When you go to Windows Explorer, you see your disk drive cannot open. To fix this, go to Computer Management. Then, click Disk Management. In this example, see there is a disk that says, No Media. The disk has a letter. That's good. It means we can format the drive. Right-click, change drive letter and paths. Click Add or Change, and follow the steps. Your drive will receive a drive letter and will be formatted. In the second example, you can see the disk neither in Windows Explorer nor in Disk Management. So, we have to open the CMD prompt as administrator. Next, type DiskPart. Then, type list disk. Now you will see all the disks connected to your computer. If you don't, I would suggest to unplug the disk and try again. Try another adapter as it still doesn't work. But if you do see your disk, type select disk with the corresponding number and enter. If you list disk again, you will see that there is an asterisk on the left-hand side of your drive. Now type assign letter G. Now exit DiskPart by typing exit. And now you can format your drive in CMD. Just type format G and colon and enter. You will get a warning that your data will be lost. So it is important to be sure that you are okay, that your data is erased. Confirm with yes and press enter. The formatting starts. Now, your disk is available again.